Hello loves, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this lovely t-shirt yarn necklace. You might be wondering, why do I make a lot of t-shirt yarn necklace? They take the least time when I'm doing tutorials, and I just love doing them, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so for this tutorial you're going to need 6 8mm beads, any color or any texture that you have, and 2 colors of t-shirt yarn. In my case, I'm going to use gray and pink. Okay, so to begin you're going to need 4 meters of your t-shirt yarn, and you fold it twice, right? Then after that you make a simple knot, like this. Then for the sake of you guys seeing, I'm going to use my board, so I'm going to put my knot in there, and I'm going to twist. So I'm going to twist like this. I turn both sides and put one on top of the other, turn both sides and put one on the top of the other. So I'm going to twist until I get to the end, and I should have approximately 80 centimeters. So let me do that and come back. Okay, so I've done my twist. Right, next I'm going to take my pink t-shirt yarn, and I'm going to measure 9 meters. After measuring 9 meters, I'm going to fold it 3 times. Then after that, I'm going to go to the middle, and I want to do a slip knot. So I'm going to take my yarn, wrap it on my finger to form an X like this. Then I will to form 2 parallel lines on this side. Then I'm going to lift the one that's on top, and I'm going to grab this one. So I'm going to grab it and pass it through like that, and that will form a slip knot. So now I'm going to take my twist and put it inside this. Okay, then I'm going to tighten this. Right, so once I tighten this, the easiest thing is to tie your twist somewhere on a chair or something. Okay, I'm just gonna put mine under this chair like this. Right, I've tied mine to the chair. So now what I'm going to do square knots. So to do that, I'm going to take my left yarn, this one, and I'll make a curve like this. Then I'm going to take the right yarn, put it on top to form a 4. Right, then I'm going to take the right yarn, this one, and I want to put it in there like that. So I'm going to put it in there and pull, right, and I'm going to tighten everything. So that's the first knot. Right, after making this knot, I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to take my right yarn, which is this one, and I'm going to make a curve like this. Then I'm going to take my left yarn, and I'm going to put it on top of this one, and I want this left yarn to go under these 2 in here like this, and I'm going to pull everything together like that. Right, I'm going to now like that. So now I'm going to repeat again the 4 left yarn. I'm going to make a curve like this. Then I'm going to take the right yarn and put it on top, and my goal is to take this right yarn and put it in here like that, and I'm going to tighten everything. Right, so now I'm working with the right. I'm going to take the right yarn, make a curve like this. Then I'm going to take my left yarn and I'll put it on top, so forming like an upside down 4. I'm going to take my left yarn, and then my goal is to put it under this one and to come this way So I'm going to put it like this, like this. So I'm going to repeat those 2 knots, and these 2 knots make what we call a square knot. What is this? Sorry. So I'm going to repeat those 2 knots until my thing grows, until my yarn finishes. So let me quickly do that and I come back. Okay, when you get to the end, you're going to cut. Right, then you're going to flip it, tie them together like this. Show you what to do with these ones in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to take my crochet hook and I'm going to put it under these loops here, and I'm going to grab these ones and tuck them under. You can do it one by one. Actually, it's easier if you just do it one by one. So you tuck them in until they're fully covered. Like that. So I'm going to tuck the rest of them and I'll come back. Okay, so I've tucked it in and I've just pulled my my twist so that it's at the same position, where it's like the same size. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut here my twist. The reason being, it's easier to put my 8mm beads like this. I'll first put the first 2, then I'll use my scissors like this. I'll put the last one like this, then I'll slide it down. Yeah, so I'm going to put 3 this side and 3 this side. So let me quickly put my beads and I come back. Okay, so once I've put my beads, I'm going to retwist tightly, then I will tie. So let me quickly retwist. After retwisting, I'm going to make a simple knot. Like this, then I'm going to cut. Like this. I'm going to do the same for the other side, so I'm going to retwist and I'll do the same. So let me quickly do that. And that's it. At this point, your t-shirt, your necklace is finished. I just want to clarify some things that I forgot to say. So this necklace can be worn on both sides. Sorry. Okay, so at this point, your t-shirt necklace will be finished. Your macrame t-shirt will be finished, and you can wear this t-shirt both sides. Both sides do work. It just depends on which side that you like. Right, just to remind you, so I didn't say measurements. So I mentioned that our twist is 80 centimeters. So when we do this, the square knot, it should just be on the center. Just make sure that it's on the center and that your t-shirt, your twist, they are more or less the same size. Right. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Okay, bye. Please do subscribe.